Loosen it up.
Yeah.
Loosen up the. There we go.
Oh, there we go. The bolts are coming loose.
There we go. The bolt. Yeah, I feel it. I can feel the difference. Yep. Yep.
That'll do it.
My shoulders are. Don't let him run.
Granny's a weak little bitch.
Throw him through the glass. Throw him the
Spider-Man. Spider-Man, help.
I'm beating up a
Dude, this
pussy.
guy is tornadoing in the front.
How are you still?
Hey! I came back from the dead. I came back from the dead.
Oh, yo, you're not.
Cam jumped off, bro.
No, he did not.
Oh wait.
My leg! Kyle! God damn it!
No, Kyle, let go of me! Look, Kyle!
Uh-oh! Oh no!
Karma serves! I can make this. Watch this jump.
Gage, I got you, buddy. Come here. Here. Listen here, you little eyeball-looking fuck. Whoa! Are you fucking...
Where's he at?
Kyle's in the
There you are.
Kyle's in the back rooms.
You can go join him, Cameron.
Kyle's in the fucking back rooms. How did you knock me out?
Superman punched you trying to grab off. He said, come here, man. I got you, man.
That's some crazy head game.
Oh,
Bro, this pan is about to represent. This pan is about to represent. Oh!
Oh, beat his ass!
This pan is gonna represent, bro. Get out of here, Kim! Oh.
Yes!
Granny killed herself, bro.
Gage, stop.
Nah.
Stop!
Guys!
Gage!
Enough!
Kill him. Kill
That's
him.
what he gets for jumping
Stop it,
off of me.
stop it,
You
stop
understand?
it.
It wasn't
Stop
you.
it.
It wasn't you that he
Listen.
jumped off of. He jumped off of
Listen
me.
to me.
You understand? You
Sit
understand?
down!
Kyle!
Sit down!
Oh my god, I got it. Kyle, you're so annoying. I got it though.
Pocket rocket fire. I go in there.
Guys, I got a nugget!
See ya.
Help! Nugget!
Oh, you like it dirty. Okay.
Help! Nugget! Help!
Trying.
Oh my god.
Gage!
Whoa. Oh, whoa. Oh.
Whoa!
I threw up. Oh,
Nugget!
yeah.
What the fuck?
That nugget's possessed.
Oh my
Give
god.
it to me.
Oh my god.
The almighty, powerful nugget.
Dead, bro. You get last. Oh, you like the little.
I'm gonna throw it.
spike on
I'm gonna
the-
throw it.
Hey, who interrupted my?
Help! Ouch! Stop it! Ouch! Gage, come on, buddy. We gotta show. They're messing with the wrong two, man.
I don't think you know what you're talking about, Cam. Yeah, get here.
Listen here, you little eyeball-looking fuck. Whoa! Are you fucking... Kyle's in the back rooms.
You can go join him, Cameron.
4 out of 5 people suffer from diarrhea. The one who enjoys it.
Oh my god.
Who enjoys diarrhea, dude?
I most certainly do not.
That John hurts.
4 out of 5 people.
Dude, it hurts, but it tastes so good.
What?
Why? Wait, did you say it tastes so good?
Dude,
Are you kidding me?
Dude,
Are you serious?
I clipped it.
Are you serious,
dude,
Obama?
Dude, it's creamy and it's.
Nah,
got the
you're
same
no.
bulk
Where is he? Kill Cam. Where's Cam? Beat
He's
the
right
fuck out
here.
of him.
He's right here. The grandma. He's your grandma. Kyle, you need to take out the panda.
Oh yeah.
Never.
He's
Never.
got 2 wins.
It won't happen. It will not happen.
Kyle, you need to take out the
It will
panda.
not happen. Bandy will stay alive.
Kyle, come on.
Cody,
Kyle,
down below.
I'm putting Kakarot. I'm putting all my faith
No!
in you.
Ouch! Help! Help! No!
As long as it ends in a
Help!
draw. As long as it ends in a draw.
I'm good. Hey, Kyle! Please, buddy, help me! Help!
Punch the glass, Kyle. Get him out.
I can't swim! Help! Help!
Oh my god.
Help! Look at the panda! He's shut. Help! Oh my god! Guys, I made it!
Yes!
I made it out!
I have another opportunity.
Okay,
you're not-
everyone
you're not
charge
beating this
Gage.
guy.
Everyone charge Gage.
Hang tight, Kyle.
Wait, he's trying to break our stuff!
Get him out of here!
Yeah,
Kyle, it's up to you!
don't
Fuck
mess with
you!
Granny.
No! Granny!
Kyle, it's up to you! Kyle, I entrust this. Grab Panda and run! Yes, grab Panda and get!
Fuck you! Kill him! Get him!
I got him! Wait,
Let go of him!
I got him! I brought him with me.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I fucking love that panda. That'll do it.
My shoulders are.
Ah!